Josephine, Juanene Latifa, Veras Lee, Cristobal Morsley, Umon Maria Teresa, Aguilar Maria Teresa, Manansala May Pearl, Alcalde Norma. The top 3 and special awards, we have the top 2, Fe Padilla, top 2, Edwin T. Aquino, top 1, Maria Teresa Aguilar. We have the special awards, most helpful, Latifa Juanene, most participative, Pearl Manansala, most cheerful, Sherilyn Morales, most attentive, Josephine M. Tamayo, and the most creative, Lynn Veras.
And now, the QuickBooks class under Miss Cleo P. Aquino. Oh, there you go, the beautiful ladies and a gentleman. Thank you so much and congratulations for a well-done fashion show, ladies. And for the quick